Welcome back. It is Monday, so that means we get to check in with local CPA Jeromy Bourque. He has some tax tips for us. Jeromy, thanks for being here.
Well, happy to be here.
So we're talking about adding employees to your business. Are there any new rules that new business owners need to be aware of out there?
Not so much as like new to, I guess, tax law, but more new to those businesses that are adding new employees. With adding employees, you would have workers' compensation insurance you need to work with, assuming you don't already have some contract labor. But more importantly, you've now become an intermediary with the government. You're required to withhold payroll taxes, income taxes for the federal and the state, and then remit them monthly, semi-monthly, or even quarterly, depending on how many employees you have and how much you're withholding. So it really becomes, now you have cash in your bank account that's really not yours. So it's really important to make sure you're working with someone, whether it's a CPA, payroll service, make sure you're doing that correctly. We've worked with a lot of clients in the past that thought that was being done by their CPA, and they never even communicated to their CPA about this, and or CPA has been telling them, hey, you need to make X payment this month, and they never make it. Next thing you know, they're behind $30,000 in payroll taxes.
Would you
they've
say
already spent that money?
That's like the biggest problem that business owners face?
Yeah, absolutely.
What we do is, oh, go ahead.
Yeah. So what we do is we partner either with a payroll service firm locally in Lafayette, or there's some great ones online. Gusto is a great one. So is ADP, and a few other payroll services that do that, kind of automate that for you. As soon as you pay payroll, you might as well pay those payroll taxes. So that way you're not confused by any cash that's in your bank account that you actually withheld from your employees.
I mean, this is great advice, especially for those business owners out there. If people at home have any questions or want to make sure that they're doing it correctly, how can they contact you?
You can call us 337-362-5005 or email me at jeromy@jbourquecpa.com.
Jeromy, as always, thank you so much for joining us virtually to share your tips with our viewers.
Happy to help.
And if you at home want to rewatch this, head to our website, kdn.com. Everything you need to know will be right there. Let's check in with Adam Olivier.